Before we start the process, we need to do two things. First, on our Gmail interface, we click here, see all settings. We choose forwarding and pop IMAP tab, and we need to be sure that IMAP is enabled. If not, you can enable it and then save changes. Secondly, we need to visit our Google account. We click these dots and choose account, security, and then enable the two-step verification. I have done it already, but for those that they don't know, two-step verification is an additional password that Google sends to your phone or by using some authorization apps like Google Auth or Authy. It will be easy to establish it yourself. Now let's open the Outlook. We need to choose the File section, check Account Settings, and here under the Email tab we will choose New. We will type our Gmail, we will check Advanced Options, the arrow, let me set up my account manually, and then we connect. We will choose the IMAP choice, and then I need to type my password, my Google password, and then I have done that trick with two-step verification, and I need to verify that I really own that account from my phone. Now, Microsoft Apps and Services want access to my Gmail account, and this is normal, no worries. I will allow. And voila, it's ready. I click done. I check the Home tab in Outlook and I have a separate inbox with my Gmail. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and of course leave a comment below if something doesn't work on your side. Bye!